Hey there, juice lovers and DIY health gurus. Let's dive into a drink that packs as much punch as your favorite hot sauce and also guaranteed to wake up your taste buds. Yep, I'm talking about the dynamic duo, pineapple and ginger juice. Now, before you run off to your kitchen to whip up a batch, let's talk about why this juice should be your new best friend and why is it so special. Here's the thing. Pineapple and ginger juice isn't just a tasty treat, it's a health powerhouse. From boosting your immune system to giving your digestive tract a little TLC, this juice does it all. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be itching to grab your blender and give this zingy elixir a try. All right, let's kick things off with the star of tropical fruits, pineapple. You know, that spiky, awkward-looking fruit that's a pain to cut but totally worth the struggle. Pineapple is a nutritional powerhouse that's been making waves in the health world for good reason. First up, did you know that pineapples are packed with vitamin C? Yep, 1 cup of this juicy goodness has more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's like a superhero cape for your immune system, ready to fend off colds, flus, and the occasional bad mood. Pineapples are loaded with bromelain, a fancy name for an enzyme that's basically a natural anti-inflammatory. Got a sore throat? Pineapple's a great remedy. This enzyme not only helps with digestion, but also aids in reducing swelling and speeding up recovery from injuries. So it's like a tasty first aid kit in fruit form. And let's not forget about fiber. Pineapples are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for keeping things moving smoothly in the digestive department. Now let's get into the spicy sidekick in our dynamic duo, ginger. This little root might not look like much, but boy does it pack a punch. First off, ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. This spicy root is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, meaning it helps your body fight off the bad guys, like free radicals, that try to mess with your cells. Ever had a tummy ache or felt a bit queasy on a road trip? Ginger is famous for its ability to soothe nausea and settle upset stomachs. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or the aftermath of one too many slices of pizza, ginger's got you covered. Just a small dose can work wonders, making it a must-have in any natural remedy arsenal. And here's a spicy little secret. Ginger can help with pain relief too. Got sore muscles after trying that new workout trend everyone's talking about? Or maybe you're dealing with the occasional headache. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and speed up recovery. Now, if you're someone who's always cold, ginger can help warm you up from the inside out. It's known for its thermogenic properties, meaning it helps boost your metabolism and keeps you toasty, even when the weather outside is frightful. Ginger has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Now that's handy. So you're starting to see how this is the perfect go-to combo. Alright, so we've talked about how amazing pineapple is on its own, and we've given ginger the spotlight it deserves. But what happens when you bring these two powerhouses together in a juice? Pure magic, that's what. When you combine these two ingredients, you're creating a health elixir that's more than the sum of its parts. Pineapple brings in its anti-inflammatory bromelain and immune-boosting vitamin C, while ginger adds its digestive soothing powers and metabolism-boosting heat. Plus, you get an amazing energy boost too, thanks to ginger's ability to enhance circulation and boost metabolism. This juice can give you that natural pick-me-up you need to tackle your day. It's super easy to make. All you need is some fresh pineapple, a bit of ginger root, a blender, and a few minutes. Just toss them in, blend it up, and you've got yourself a DIY health tonic that's as tasty as it is good for you. Now the only thing left to do is to try it out for yourself. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. But before you rush off to the kitchen, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or entertaining. And hey, why not hit that subscribe button while you're at it? Oh, and one more thing, drop a comment below and let me know how your juice turned out. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay juicy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.